Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a look that I did a few weeks ago. So I'm going to be doing the yellow look. I posted this look on my Instagram and I didn't film a tutorial when I did it back then, but I should have, because when I posted my pictures on Instagram, a lot of you guys and other people really liked it, and it was like super easy, like really pretty for the summertime. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be pretty much redoing that look. Also, my nose is like very stuffy and runny today because I have really bad allergies, so if I'm sniffling a lot and my nose is like red and the foundation's coming off, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can really do about it. It's just it's allergy season. So I obviously did my base already, just my foundation, concealer, and I already primed and set my lids. I want to just start off with the eyes first because it's like super easy, and then I'll do like my bronzer, blush, and highlight. So for the yellow look that I did, I used the ColourPop Yes Please palette. So like I said, I already primed my eyes and set them with my concealer and powder that I use. So I just want to go straight into the tutorial because like I said, this look is like really easy, but it looks so pretty. So like I said, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I'm first going to go in with the yellow shade. This is the original Yes Please palette, so mine doesn't have the names on them. It does have it on the back, but I'm not even going to bother to try to figure out which name is what because they're like flipped or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to go straight into the yellow shade with like a flat but somewhat fluffy brush. I'm just going to pack the yellow shade all over the lid at first, and then I'll start to lightly blend it into the crease. It just seems to work better that way, because if you start to just blend it in your crease and then try and pack it on the lid, it kind of just fades away when you're blending. So okay, so now that I have that kind of just packed on my eyelid, I'm just gonna take just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna lightly dip into that same yellow shade and just start to buff this in the crease a little bit. I'm not gonna go too high with it because I don't want this look to be like super blown out, but I do want to have it blended in the crease just a little bit. Okay, so I just took that same little flat but fluffy brush that I used to pack on the lid. I just took a little bit more of the yellow and just smudged it on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go into this shimmery yellow on a little small pencil brush and just put that on my inner corner and brow bone. And that's pretty much the look. Like I said, it's super easy. It's just 2 shades, but it still looks really pretty. Yeah, I really like this look. When I first did this look and posted it on my Instagram, I didn't really think I was gonna like it as much as I did, because I've never done like yellow eyeshadow like this before. So I really ended up liking it, and so did a lot of other people, so that's why I wanted to do this tutorial. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go into the shimmery yellow. This shade is so pretty. It's like the exact same color yellow as this, but like metallic. It's so pretty. Even this like metallic shade all over the lid would look really pretty too, like on top of this yellow shade, to give it more of that yellow color. So there's that shimmery yellow shade on the inner corner and brow bone. Like I said, that's pretty much just the eye look, is just those two eyeshadows. So now I'm just gonna put on mascara and lashes, and the lashes that I'm gonna be using are the Ardell Mega Volume 253s. They're these really pretty, like, spiky, kind of wispy lashes. They're like really long and super pretty, because these are the lashes that I used in this look, and I was obsessed with these lashes. They just look really pretty, and I feel like they go with this look really, really well. So I'm just gonna apply these off camera because they do have a thicker band. Sorry, my nose is starting to get really stuffy. But since they do have a thicker band, they are a little harder to apply. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna put these on off camera, and then I will be back to finish up the face. Okay, so now the lashes are on. I struggled pretty hard with this side. The inner corner just did not want to stick. So if my eyes are like a little red, it's just because it just kept watering and just getting irritated. So, but I got them to stick. They're just so pretty, so long, and like more like separated and spiky. I don't usually go for lashes like this, but I wanted to like step out of my comfort zone, so that's why I got these. But yeah, they're so pretty, and I feel like they just look really nice with this look. So that's pretty much the eyes. That's it. Like I said earlier, it's super easy. So now I'm just gonna finish off my face. And when I did that look a few weeks ago, I used the Cover FX face palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. I just used the bronzer shade. Just gonna bronze up the face with that shade. I really like this like contour bronzer shade in this palette. It just I like the tone of it. It's not too dark, it's not too orange. It's kind of just like that perfect bronze shade for my skin tone, at least, because I don't contour, I just bronze. So I really like this shade. It's, like I said, it's not like super warm, but it's also not cool. It's like right in the middle, and I just feel like it looks really nice on my skin tone. So I really do love this palette. I use it pretty often, mainly just for the contour bronzer shade, but everything else is really good in the palette too. So okay, so now that I have my bronzer on, I'm gonna go into blush, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky. It's just a really nice light, everyday peachy shade. Now, usually I would go pretty heavy-handed with blush because I just like a lot of blush, but I feel like with the yellow eyes, I just want the eyes to be the main focus, so I'm just gonna go pretty light with the blush. I love the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. I think there is a different shade, but the only one that I have is this peachy shade, and I really, really love this blush. I use it like almost all the time, and I feel like it does last really, really long on the skin. So the primer infused part, I would say, is pretty true, at least for my skin skin type or whatever. It lasts pretty long. But yeah, it's just, I feel like a light peachy blush goes really well with the yellow. So I'm gonna try to go light with the blush, because like I said, I just want the main focus to be the eyes, and I'm not gonna focus the blush so much on the apples of the cheek. I'm gonna kind of put it more towards the, like, where I put like my bronzer. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Invisible Glow highlighting powder. I actually got this at TJ Maxx for like, I got it for $6.99 because I still have the box. I haven't thrown it away yet. So yeah, if you find this at TJ Maxx, this is the Fair to Light. I know they have like a medium to deep maybe. So yeah, if you find this at TJ Maxx and it matches or it goes well with your skin tone and it's not touched, I highly recommend to pick this up because it's just really pretty. These retail for like $28 to $30 on Ulta and the Bare Minerals website. So like I said, I got this for $6.99 at TJ Maxx, so it's definitely a steal. It is pretty subtle, like I just like put the tiniest bit on. So if you don't like blinding highlights, this highlight is really pretty because it's really subtle, or you can build it up to be pretty blinding. I just really love this highlighting powder. It's so pretty. Camera keeps blowing out, sorry. I might even wear this highlighter on my wedding day. I'm not really sure because I still have like another year till then, but it's just so pretty and it just blends in with the skin like really nice. And like I said, you can either have it like really subtle or you can build it up to be pretty blinding. Okay, so I have the highlighter on. I built it up to be pretty like blinding, but at the same time it doesn't like look powdery or anything because it just blends and melts in with the skin really nice. So I really love that highlighter. So like I said, I highly recommend if you find it at TJ Maxx and it suits your skin tone and it's not touched or damaged or anything, definitely pick it up. It's just a really pretty highlighter. So now for lips, when I did this look, I used the ColourPop Matte X Lippy Stick in the shade Ziggy. It's like a really pretty burnt terracotta reddish brown color. So I'm just gonna apply this off camera really quick, go fix my hair, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I put on the lipstick and I fixed my hair. I curled my bangs. I'm not very good at like curling my hair, so I feel like it looks a little funny. But yeah, that's the yellow makeup tutorial. It's super easy, but yet it just looks really pretty for summertime. I feel like it's bold, but it's not like crazy bold where it's like bam in your face, because I feel like you could even maybe wear this to work because it's even though it is yellow all over the lid, I feel like it's still pretty wearable. And if you're not comfortable with wearing lip colors like this, you can totally wear a nude or even just wear a gloss. So yeah, that's my little yellow makeup tutorial. Like I said, when I did this look a few weeks ago, I was super obsessed with it. I'm still really obsessed with it. It's just so pretty and I feel like it's really fresh for summertime. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!